Hello everyone. Now question number 3. Question is, draw a line segment AB, draw a line segment of length 5 by 5 centimeter, divided internally in the ratio 2:3. What is the length of each part? So first we will draw a line segment AB, let it be AB, of given measurement, that is 5 centimeter. Okay. Now, same procedure we have to follow. From point A, you will draw one acute angle, and same way from point B, you will draw another acute angle. But remember that the acute angle should be of same measurement. Okay. So, for that, you will take the help of D. Now, question is that you have to divide it internally in the ratio 2:3. Internally in the ratio 2:3. So, what we will do here, we will take the ratio as it is given 2:3. So, we will add these two ratios together, then it will come as 5. So, in this question, what you will do here, you will divide the line segment, or you will divide this line in 5 equal parts. So, again same procedure you have to follow. You can keep the measurement according to yourself like this: 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. But what you have to remember, that you have to keep the measurement as same. Don't change the measurement, otherwise the whole question will become wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 with the same measurement. Now, what you have to do next step, that join A with the last division as we did it in question 1 and 2. All these things with the pencil only. Same way join B with the last division. Okay. Now the question is in the form of 2:3 you have to divide it. So what you will, first you will write the naming A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Same way from here you can write it as B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5, like this you will keep it. Okay. Now question is 2:3. What will you do? From the upper side you will take the second division, and from the lower side you will take the third division. 2:3 is written. So from the upper side you will take second division, and from the lower side, started from this side, you will take third division and join it. Join these two divisions together. Okay. Now the question is, what is the length of each part? Let this part as P. So what we have to do? We have to find out the length of each part, means AP and PB. These two lengths we have to find out. So let's take the help of the scale here. Measure AP. It is coming approximately as 2.2. So AP will be 2.2 centimeter, and if you will measure PB, it is coming as 3.3 centimeter. 3.3 3 centimeter. So observe it. AP plus PB, if you will add these two together, you will get 5.5 centimeter. Is it clear? I think with the help of this question 3, you can try question number 4 yourself. Now, in question number 5, it is draw a line segment AB of length 7 centimeter. So, we will draw one line segment AB of 7 centimeter as we did it in the previous questions. So, we will draw it as 7 centimeter, and then the question is find a point P on it, find a point P on it such that AP ratio PB equal 1:3. हमें AB पर एक पॉइंट P ऐसा फाइंड आउट करना है such that AP ratio PB equal 1:3, and then you have to measure AP and PB. Then you have to measure it. अब what will you do? देखिए here AP ratio PB is given. AP ratio PB is given 1:3. So this part we can write it like this also. AP upon PB equal 1/3. Like this also we can write it. So what does it mean? That we are dividing this whole line. AP, there should be some point P. AP ratio PB as 1:3. Okay. So what will you do? What will you do? How many divisions you will make it? Here ratio is given, so 1 plus 3. Add them, it is coming as 4. So what we will do? We will again make 4 divisions over here, and with the same measure from point B also we will draw 4 divisions. 4 divisions. 1:3 means 1 plus 3, 4 divisions. So as I have told it, with this same measurement, don't change the measurement, whatever you will take it, 2, 3 and 4. With this same measurement, keep the compass needle on point B and make the divisions like this. 3 and 4. Like this you will make the divisions. Now, what should be the next step? What should be? Join point A with the last arc. As we are doing it in the previous question, same way join point B with the last arc. This is the next step you have to follow. Now, can you tell me what should be the next step? Here it is written 1:3. So first of all, name it A1, A2. A2 you will write it here. A2, A3 and A4. Now from this side you will start writing. This is B. So from here you will write B1, B2, B3 and B4. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा है? You have to take the division as 1:3. So what will you do? From upper side you will take the first division, and from lower side you will take the third division, as we took it in the previous question number 3. So 1:3. 1 first division from the upper part, A1 लिखा है, so 1. And from lower part B3 लिखा है, क्वेश्चन में 3 है, so wherever it is B3 written, that part we will take it. Now join it. Join both the arcs. So what do you observe? This is the one part and this is the 3 parts, 1:3, and name it as P. So AP upon PB, you are getting 1:3. This is PB is 3 part, okay, and AP is 1 part. Now the question is you have to measure AP and PB. So we will measure AP and PB with the scale. Let's see what result we will get it. AP. If you will measure AP, approximately it is coming as 1.6 or 1.7. 1.6 or 1.7. So you will write AP as 1.6 centimeter. Approximately you are getting it. And PB, what it should be? Let's see. PB, measure it with the scale. It is coming as 5.4. 5.4 centimeter. 5.4 centimeter. So approximately you are getting AP as 1.6 and PB as 5.4. अब अगर आप इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, you will get the measurement as 7 centimeter. Is it clear? Okay.